Hello everyone, I am Atul Garg, your faculty for GS Paper 4, that is Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. Now today I am recording this video in order to announce the launch of our GS 500 Plus program for the Mains Examination 2024. Now this program has been launched by ALS. Like every year, we are doing this year also, the same program. Now today I am recording this class in order to tell students that how exactly they can benefit from it. Most importantly, the students should also know that whether this program is made for them or not. Many times I have seen this confusion among the students that which program they should take, especially between this period from prelims to mains, which program they should take so that optimum utilization of their time can be done. So first of all, let me tell you that which category of students can get help from this program, can get benefit from this program. So as I analyze, three categories of students are there. The first category is those who have done their GS foundation courses long time back. Now you know that this whole examination process, everything is very long. It takes a lot of time. So before you write your first mains, it's already been 2-3 years since you have done your GS foundation. So a lot of time gap is there. So this program, how it is going to help you GS 500 Plus? First of all, it will refresh your memories of your GS foundation program. Secondly, it will help you to do quality enrichment. Thirdly, all the current affairs updations which have been missed in the GS foundation, because they have done it. I mean, according to the two years back, at that time what current affairs were. So current affairs updations, and most importantly, answer writing practice would be done. I mean, answer writing is something which can't be learned on the whiteboard. You have to start doing it. And as you all know that GS mains papers, they are more about writing only. You have to write around 18 words per minute along with reading the question and thinking in order to complete your paper. And this is something which needs some superhuman tendencies. Alright, but the idea is that every person can develop it. It is just like driving a Formula 1 car. These people, Michael Schumacher, he used to drive the car at 350 plus, but still the car was always under his control. So the same way, even you guys can write 18 words per minute, but for that, lot of practice would be required. So this is the course in which a lot of practice is going to be there with you. So the first category of students is that those who have done their GS foundation 2-3 years back, now they want to refresh their things. Second category of student which can get benefited from this program is those students who have done their self-study. Now many students I have seen that they are preparing for the prelims because not much writing practice is there, basic history, geography, these things are there. So they prepare for their prelims while being in their jobs. Working professional also comes under this category. Many students are there along with their colleges only, they have done their preparation. So they haven't taken any formal GS foundation. So it's very important for these students that they should know that in which direction they are moving, whether what they are preparing is right or wrong. And especially when it comes to ethics paper, you guys know now that more than guidance, misguidance is available. Okay, GS paper 4 is more about opinions, and in India every person has an opinion. So it's very important that you get proper guidance through an expert, and that will be done through me only in this particular 500 plus program. Alright, the students who are doing their self-studies, it is very important that they join this short program like GS 500 plus. Third category of student is those who are not satisfied by their previous attempts or the kind of training, the kind of instructions they got in their GS foundations. Now, many times I have seen, and it is very unfortunate also, that many institutions who are conducting these GS foundation programs, their focus is not mains but only prelims. Even they know that 90% of the students will never write their mains, so their main focus is prelims only. So somewhere at the hindsight, what we see that this GS main specific preparation is missed. Especially like ethics paper, I have seen that many institutions, they give only 22, 23 classes to ethics, and that too in the end where most of the students stop attending the classes also. So ethics paper ho gaya, like many things are there, like your world history, like post independence India, so internal security. These are all areas specific to mains, and these areas are often remain untouched during GS Foundation program. So these are the areas on which we are going to focus. So these three categories of students, they can really get benefited from this particular program. Now, what is going to be my pedagogy for this program? In fact, not only mine, but most of the teachers, they will follow the same style. Now, what we have done in this program is that the whole syllabus of 4 GS papers and essay also, it has been divided into more than 500 questions. Each and every topic of the syllabus, like in ethics, we have different units. So each and every unit has been divided into different papers, and question wise, each and every topic I will discuss in the class. Take for example, dimensions of ethics. One topic is there in unit 1. So rather than discussing the basics of dimensions of ethics, what I will do, I will put the most important question of dimensions of ethics in the question paper. First of all, you guys will think about it, then I will discuss the whole idea. So through this one question, the whole topic of dimensions of ethics would be discussed. I will also tell you that what more questions can come from this particular topic. So this is how the whole syllabus would be covered, and not only in ethics but in history also, in geography also. In every discipline, the same method, the same pedagogy would be used. What we will do, that just, like today's class is there, so day before today's class we will provide you with a question paper that these are the questions that we are going to discuss in the upcoming class. You guys will go home, you will try to do some brainstorming over these questions. You will try to ask yourself that whether I know the answer to these questions or not. And after your brainstorming, then I will going to discuss all those questions with you in the class itself. I will also try to give you some model answers. Alright, so what I have done is, like now coming to my ethics classes specifically, what I have done is that, as you all know, that the syllabus of GS paper 4 is derived from 3 disciplines: psychology, philosophy and public administration. So in the first paper, unit 1 and unit 5, which comes from philosophy, those questions would be there. In second paper, psychology, unit 2, 3 and 5, aptitude, attitude and emotional intelligence would be there. And third class, that is public administration, there ethics in public administration and probity in governance, these 2 units, unit 6 and 7, questions from these 2 units are going to be there. So this is how 3 papers I will give you, and these 3 papers are going to be discussed in around 3 classes. Then in the next class, I will discuss 2023 question paper with you, plus some current affair. And then finally one test would be taken, and for that test, I will give you the model answer. So overall, I think around 80-90 questions of ethics I will discuss with you in those 4-5 classes with you. Alright, so I hope you guys have got a basic idea about what we are going to do in this GS 500 plus program. Alright, one more thing, regular tests would be conducted in this program. So if you will see the whole schedule, you will find around 14 tests are going to be there in it. So I believe that for your overall preparation for the mains exam, this course is must. Even if you are not giving mains, then also this course is very important to you, because it will give you that quality enrichment which is required almost every year. Alright, so the first few classes are for free. The program is going to start on 22nd of June. The first class, the introductory class, would be taken by our beloved Jojo Matthews sir. He is the veteran in this field, and we all really respect him from our heart. So, all of you are invited to join that class. In fact, even after that, 2-3 classes would be free for you. You guys can come and you can see the kind of quality, the kind of quantity which we guys are providing you. So, I hope that I will see you soon in the classes itself. If you still have any query, you guys can take my number. My number is 98109 49873. I repeat, 98109 49873. So you guys can give me a call. You can send a WhatsApp message also to me if you have any query regarding this program. So I hope things are clear, and I hope I see you soon in the classes. Thank you.